Hello everyone, this is out of the box unboxing, and in today's episode we are going to I'm going to review cordless combi screwdriver or impact driver, and maybe I will start and make some comment on this plastic case, which is in my opinion quite decent. It's okay, it's not high-end plastic, but it's nice to touch. It's not smelling. On the beginning it was smelling a little bit, but it's, let's say, standard smell of this type of plastic. And yeah, what is important, it's what is inside, and in my opinion this impact driver, it's quite decent made. You can actually feel it's quite heavy. How exactly it's heavy, you will find it in the description down below. What is my biggest concern is the battery capacity, and in my opinion 12 volts might be a little bit not enough, but it has 2000 mAh, so we will see. It has two gears, and actually you can feel the differences between second and first. It's, as I said, it's decent. The quality is decent. This switch is a little bit going here and there, but I think even this rubber, it's different, because in other cordless devices of Parkside, this is the weak point, where this rubber starts to fall apart after really 10 minutes. It's falling apart. So in my opinion now it's better, and it will withstand longer time. Okay, and the quality is, in my opinion, quite okay. What is also nice feature, it's this: you can put it in on the wall by hanging on two hooks, and you don't need to keep it vertically. You can use it horizontally. One small comment about this label: it's going off. So, but okay, it's detailed. So not really something that you should bother. Okay. Looking forward how this device will work in long run, but for the time being I'm happy that I have bought it. Okay, so for the time being, thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye.